is February 20th, 2026, and Dawson and I are on a field trip here with his school to the Kennedy Space Center. Yeah. Are you happy?
So funny.
We have scanned in. Here is the Heroes and Legends wall.
Today and spending the day with us. Never stop exploring and have a great day.
This is the Delta. We are now heading into the Gateway, which is the newest building here at Kennedy Space Center.
The building's
This is really cool. Got an Artemis coin.
Dancing all over. Don't you ever play that game where you throw the balloon around the room and it just kind of goes wherever it wants?
Yeah.
So why isn't it just going wherever it wants?
Because the air
There is. Let's see if we can get two balloons going. Oh! This air is moving fast. Right. It's creating a low pressure system, and that low pressure allows my balloon to rise. But what's the magic that's keeping it in place? You see it kind of bouncing around, but it doesn't bounce out. So why is that? Well, do you feel a breeze on your arm? Is your hair blowing in the wind? No, mine neither. And it's not just because of the wind. It has to do with the fact that this is blowing and around here is not. So this fast-moving air creates a low-pressure system allowing the balloon to rise, but the air all around it is slow-moving and high pressure. So it's kind of hugging it, kind of keeping it there. The same principle. It's called Bernoulli's principle. And by the way, I'm Heidi, and this is my amazing friend Beth Joy. This is the same principle that allows airplanes to fly. Airplanes are so big. Do you ever wonder how they can lift and be in the air? Well, it's because their wing is shaped. It's flat in the end and curved on top. And that curve on top allows the air to rush and move faster than that air on the bottom. And that faster moving air, what did we say it creates? Low pressure. Low pressure allows for lift. And that's exactly the way our planes fly. Now, do you guys want to race me? Yeah, let me tell you. All right, no uncle jokes giving it away. Sometimes the uncles know the trick, and if they do, don't give away my jokes. All right, so we each have our umbrella bags. Ready? Yeah. Again, I'm obviously going to win. I have the biggest bag. Wait, something's wrong here. That's not how that works. I'm still going to win, right? I don't know. We'll see. Beth Joy, do you think I'm going to win?
It's not about winning, Heidi.
She says it's not about winning, but I did. 1, 2. I didn't even put it up to my mouth. Me and my friends share this balloon. That would be gross. All right, so we talked about Bernoulli's principle, right? We talked about how this fast-moving air creates low pressure, and that low pressure allows for my balloon to rise. Well, that same fast-moving air is blowing into this balloon, and it's pulling all the air around it with that low-pressure system, filling my bag.
It's like a VR headset in there, and you sit in there and you get to experience what it's like going up in Blue Origin.
You cannot get it. Try that one.
I was in line trying to figure out what this was exactly because I was not sure, and the worker over there yelled at us that it's not for the kids, and it was very rude.
Thank you. Where is all the stuff?
And this is Falcon 9 at 160 feet long. It's from SpaceX, and those are actual real scorch marks.
Thank you. My children have found, or my child has found Planet Play. Now this is the Planet Play area that we were talking about. It is a 2-story area, and it's really cool because they have this netting kids can walk on above us. And there's even more up there. All right, so I've climbed all the way up to the second floor. And there is even more, like I was saying, There is more up there. So cool. And here's another view of that net I was talking about a while ago. I am now climbing the stairs to the other floor, which would be the 3rd floor. And I will come up here again. And that is what they're doing up here. We have made it out of Planet Play, and now we are trying to figure out food.
Middle school. Almost. Okay, Ballard here too. So you in elementary. Oh boy. Oh boy, okay. We gonna go with it. You're qualified. All right, you get Dawson. All right, my friend. This could be your rocket, okay? Now we need to use something called Alka-Seltzer, which is a medicine. When you're feeling sick, it makes you feel better. It gives you gas, so you have gas. Yeah, and gas gets out. It gets very gassy. All right, so inside of this Alka-Seltzer, there is 2 ingredients. There's citric acid that's found in oranges, lemons, and limes, and also baking soda, my friends. Now, can you take this and can you break it in half? Yeah, I'm gonna have you put it right inside of that container. Yep, just like that. All right, now I'm gonna add some water to the mix. Let me find my water. Now, Dawson, take a big step back just in case. This is my first time, kid. I'm kidding, you're good. All right, here we go. Add some water to this. All right, you take a big step back though, just in case. Take a big step back. I'm gonna take a step back, Dawson, just in case. All right, right now this water is breaking down this capsule and it's starting to off gas. What's it doing in there? What's it doing? It's fizzling. Let's see what happens. I add a lid to the top. For reaction, there's a what?
Reaction.
My reaction is to run. Bye, Dawson. All right, here we go. It's building. Woohoo! And just like that, we launched the rocket in the air. Want to say it again? Because guess what? I'm going to reuse this because here at NASA, we use our rockets sometimes. Here we go. So many uses we get out of this thing. That was 1. All right, here's number 2. All right, that person's building and building and building. Up there's another. That was how many? That was 2. Look at that. I'm telling you, look at this. All right, my mom, she stopped using this when she saw this experiment. All right, here we go. Add a little bit more. This is our last one for this right here, Dawson. All right, it's building. It's building. Uh-oh, that's going to be a big one. All right, I got that water gas for your show perfect this time. Yep, the longer the better. Do you have mission control number? Because I don't. It's supposed to go by now. A little bit longer. I'm scared. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Anybody know? It was Neil Armstrong. And why did Neil Armstrong say? Remember what he said, his famous words? You're very, very smart. What did he say? 1 small step for man. Right on. Who's the second person? Yes, it was Buzz Lightyear. What did Buzz Lightyear say? He said to infinity and when he was next to Woody, Lil Bo Peep. I'm so sorry. That was Disney. I'm so sorry. It was actually Buzz Aldrin. What did Buzz Aldrin say? He stepped out. He looked. He saw Neil and he said, Neil before me. Because Neil before him. It's a joke. He didn't say that. He said magnificent desolation. I'm sorry about those dad jokes. Dawson, where do dads keep their jokes? In a database. I'm sorry.
They have the harvest afterburn burger, which actually looks pretty delicious. Alrighty, so we had ate some lunch. This place is cashless, so if you ever come here, no cash. So it's a really good photo spot. It's right on this bridge. You get an uninterrupted photo spot right here. It is a beautiful area.
Is this light or a full version? This is full version.
It's going to launch like a rocket and land like an airplane, and it's going to be reusable.
What can I do?
goodness, if you see up there, that is a place now that is supposed to be like the International Space Station. And here is the bottom of Atlantis. Look at it. And in the world's largest NASA gift shop, and you can get a shuttle carrier aircraft Lego set. Really cool. Spacesuit walk uniform. Out here in the gift shop. This is the Mars rover. Futuristic Mars rover.
Okay.
So sorry for the abrupt ending to the video today, but as you can see, I am home with Edison and Godiva, and on the way back, we got all the kids on the bus. It got a little chaotic towards the end, trying to gather all the children onto the bus, and then I got motion sickness on the bus.
But
And,
I wasn't there.
You
so
weren't there.
No, I wasn't. But I did not know how it went.
You don't know how it went, so you'll
No.
see whenever you'll see this video, and you'll be like, "Oh, okay," and feel like you were there.
Yeah.
Yeah. But don't forget, you guys, there is a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, and we hope to see you in it. You guys have a good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye.